how to reset Facebook watch page. Hello guys, in today's new tutorial I'm going to show you how to reset Facebook watch page easily and fast. So all what you want to do is open the settings on your phone, and you can do the same things on the iPhone. Go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it again, and then go to the apps manager, open the apps, and then all what you want to do is wait a few seconds, and after that you have to scroll and you find Facebook and click on it. When you click on Facebook, it will take you to this page. All what you want to do here now is very simple. Click on this force stop option to stop running the app in the background of your phone, and after that click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back again. Now one last thing that you want to do here is just restart your phone and then reopen Facebook, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.